Yeah, but you have to be careful here. You have to be really careful.
Oh, my hand. Oh, my hand.
Alright, alright. I'll hold your hand now.
Look. Look. Look.
Right.
My hand. Oh, my hand. Go. Going down.
No, you're going to lose it, silly. Stay there. What do you throw it for? Huh? Not today. I can't do it today because I've got Corey and I'm going to have to keep an eye on him. Quick, grab it. Grab it. Good boy. You're having fun there, yeah? Me too. Beautiful, isn't it? Sure, as the summer goes on, it gets a bit better. And you're a good boy too, aren't ya? Oh, love it, don't ya? You got that in a minute? Good boy. Yeah.